Welcome back, fellow crafters. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, I decided to make this rose velvet chair. I hope you like it. I made this free pattern for you to follow along with. You can download it in the description below. First, we will cut 6 pieces of the chair back pattern using cereal box cardboard. Glue the first 5 pieces together. Make sure the 6th piece has the back side facing out. After gluing them together, use a sharp knife to clean out the notches in the cardboard. Cut 5 pieces of these rectangular strips and glue them together. Put glue on each end. Place it inside the notches as shown. Cut 6 pieces of the chair bottom. Glue the first 5 pieces together. Make sure the 6th piece has the back side facing out again. After you glue the 6 pieces all together, use a very sharp knife to cut out the notches. Next, we are going to make the 2 front legs. For each leg, cut 6 pieces. Cut the first 5 pieces with the cardboard back facing as shown. Flip the cardboard around to trace the final piece, as this will allow the printed side of the cardboard to be placed inward. There are 7 pieces total for each leg. Glue the first 5 pieces first as shown. Then glue the piece with the pattern on the top. Flip the last leg and glue onto the bottom. Repeat for the left leg. Make 2 triangle supports for the seat. For each triangle, cut and glue 6 pieces together. These are all the pieces we need for the chair frame. Before putting them together, make sure to sand the edges. Put a small amount of glue on the top of the leg, then attach it into the notch as shown. Glue the flat edge of the chair bottom onto the back leg support strip. Make sure it is level with the strip as shown. Attach the two seat supports underneath the chair bottom. Here we just finished the frame. I decided to use a gold paint for the frame. Make sure to paint the chair back 1/2 centimeter on the outside of the oval shape. Do the same to the chair bottom. Now cut the chair back cushion. I'm using 2 layers of blanket fabric to form the cushion. Now cut the chair bottom cushion. Again, 2 layers of the blanket fabric. I printed these designs onto this fabric. I decided to use the rose for the chair back. Make sure to cut some notches on the edges before you glue it. For the chair bottom, I'm using the dark red velvet fabric. Put some notches on the edge. Only put the glue on the cardboard because the glue will soak through the fabric. To attach the cushion, you have to put the glue on the bottom of the cushion and on the chair. Here we only put the glue in the middle. I got these half-B stickers from the dollar store. I think it will make a really cute edge. And there it is, the finished chair. If you have any problem making it, please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next week.